Prior to starting a charge, the display will have a flashing green center button and the words "Connect Battery" scrolling across the screen. Once battery is connected, the display will show CON and the battery voltage will display. When the charge cycle begins, CP1, charge phase 1, will show at the top of the display. The numbers on the display are the charging amps going into the battery. The battery icon will illuminate and the word amp appear above it. The center button is flashing amber, indicating current is flowing to the battery. Opportunity charge pause. When the battery reaches the gassing set point, CP2 appears on the screen and the charger moves to charging phase 3. There's no charging indicator light and the center light is no longer flashing but is solid amber. A clock icon appears on the display indicating a delay before charging resumes. The digital clock on the display will show the time remaining until the charge resumes. Finish charge. When the timer hits 00, the charger starts again for the finish charge. CP4, charge phase 4, appears on the display. The charging amp rate shows on the display. The battery icon reappears with amps above it. The center light is flashing again, indicating current is flowing to the battery. Charge complete. The center button now is a solid green, which means it's charge complete and still connected to a battery. The full battery icon appears in the bottom right hand of the display. Operation with the Tobii PI. When the battery is connected, the CON and Tobii icon appears, indicating that a Tobii PI is on the battery. The battery icon with thermometer indicates that the battery is above the OK to charge temp. DEL on the screen shows a delay, as does the clock icon indicating a delay. The 116F shows the battery temperature, showing the reason for the delay. When the battery temperature falls below the OK to charge temp, the charger will automatically come on and begin a charge cycle. At the end of charge, if the battery is low on water, the low water indicator will appear in the upper left-hand corner of the display. Viewing charge information. The I button stands for information. Press one time and the total battery voltage displays. Again, and volts per cell display. Again, amp hour rate being delivered to the battery. Again, the time on charge. Again, the current battery temperature, first in Fahrenheit and then in centigrade. Warning, risk of explosion. Do not disconnect the battery while the charger is running. Hydrogen gas produced by the battery during charging can be ignited by arcing that occurs when the battery cable is disconnected. To stop a charge cycle manually, press and hold the center button. Off will appear on the screen. It is now safe to disconnect the battery. Viewing charge history. The control holds the last 100 charge cycles. Press the plus button for the most recent and the minus for the oldest. Press the info button on any cycle to get the amp rate at charge termination, the volts per cell at termination, and the total amp hour returns and time on charge. The 3-digit display for each cycle is the end code. For more information, please visit chargingti.com.